Today, I am reviewing the GEEKOM A5 Mini PC. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Ryzen 5 7430 may not sound exciting on paper compared to newer Zen 4 chips, but in real-world usage it proves to be a very balanced processor for this form factor. Everyday performance is smooth and predictable. Office work, heavy browser usage, video calls, spreadsheets, coding environments, and even light creative tools all run comfortably without the system feeling strained. What stood out to me was how consistent the performance remained over long sessions. Even after hours of multitasking, the system doesn't suddenly slow down or feel thermally constrained. The 15W TDP is clearly tuned for efficiency, and it shows in both temperature control and power consumption. This is the kind of mini PC you can leave running all day without worrying about heat buildup or excessive fan noise. Memory and storage choices here feel practical rather than cost-cutting. The included 16 GB of standard RAM is more than enough for most users, and the fact that it's upgradable instead of soldered makes a real difference. This instantly gives the A5 a longer lifespan than many competitors that lock you into LPDDR memory. If your workload grows, you're not forced to replace the entire system. The 512 GB NVMe SSD delivers fast boot times and responsive file access, and the multiple expansion options inside make this mini PC surprisingly flexible. Whether you want to add a large 2.5-inch drive for media, expand NVMe storage, or push total capacity far beyond what most mini PCs allow, the A5 doesn't box you in. Graphics performance is exactly where it should be for a machine like this. The Radeon Vega 7i GPU handles everyday visuals, 4K streaming, and UI animations without any issues. What's genuinely impressive is the display support. Running multiple monitors is effortless, and the ability to drive up to 4 displays changes how productive this small box can be. For anyone working with dashboards, timelines, documents, or communication tools across multiple screens, the A5 feels far bigger than it looks. High-resolution video playback is smooth, and even light gaming titles run acceptably at sensible settings. This is not a gaming system, but it doesn't feel limited or outdated when it comes to visual tasks. Build quality deserves special mention. The reinforced chassis and internal metal structure give the A5 a solid, confidence-inspiring feel. It doesn't feel like a fragile electronics box that needs to be handled carefully. Everything from the port layout to the vibration-damping feet suggests this was designed to live on a desk, behind a monitor, or even in a small office deployment without issues. Thermals are handled quietly and efficiently, with no sudden fan ramp-ups that break concentration during calls or focused work. Connectivity is another strong point. Wi-Fi 6 delivers stable, fast wireless performance that holds up during video calls, streaming, and large downloads. Bluetooth 5.2 pairs quickly with peripherals and stays connected without random dropouts. The sheer number of USB ports, along with the SD card slot, makes daily use more convenient than many similarly sized systems that force you to rely on hubs. Everything you need is simply there, ready to plug in. What truly sets the GEEKOM A5 apart, though, is the confidence behind the product. The 3-year warranty is not just a bullet point, it changes how the system feels as a purchase. It signals that this mini PC is built for sustained use, not short-term appeal. Combined with accessible upgrades and conservative thermal design, it feels like a machine meant to age gracefully rather than be replaced quickly. Over time, the A5 proves itself as a dependable workhorse. It doesn't try to impress you once and then disappoint later. Instead, it delivers steady performance, quiet operation, and practical flexibility every single day. For users who want a compact desktop that prioritizes reliability, upgrade freedom, and real productivity over raw benchmark bragging rights, the GEEKOM A5 ends up being far more satisfying than many flashier alternatives. It's the kind of mini PC you stop thinking about because it simply does its job, and that, in daily use, is exactly what most people actually need.